You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to enable the Music Haptics feature on your iPhone, which adds tactile vibrations to songs. This feature is available in iOS 17.2 or later. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Accessibility, tap Audio Visual. Under the Audio section, tap Music Haptics, toggle the switch. To turn it on, when enabled, your iPhone will use the Taptic engine to play vibrations along with the music's rhythm and beats. This feature works with the Apple Music app. Play any song in Apple Music and you'll feel subtle taps that correspond to the audio. You can adjust the intensity by using the slider in the Music Haptic settings. For the best experience, ensure your iPhone is not on silent mode and that system haptics are enabled in Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. This feature is designed to enhance the listening experience, especially for users who are deaf or hard of hearing, but anyone can enjoy it. It works with headphones or speakers, but the haptics are felt through the phone itself. To turn it off, return to the same settings and toggle Music Haptics off. For more simple iPhone accessibility tutorials, subscribe to the channel.